Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by creating the team calendar and granting the right access. First, make sure the team uses Workspace or a shared account. This simplifies permissions. Once done, create a calendar named for the team and set sharing to make changes and manage sharing for owners and see all event details for members. Next, install and enable Calendar sync on phones and desktop apps so entries propagate. This gets everyone on the same timeline immediately and avoids fragmented schedules. You'll now build the routine, create events with clear titles, attach relevant docs, and pick conferencing links so joining is one click. Use recurring events for standing meetings and appointment slots for one-on-ones. Templates speed repeated scheduling. Once done, invite groups or resources like meeting rooms to prevent conflicts. Also color code calendars and set sensible default reminders, 10 or 30 minutes, so everyone gets consistent prompts. These practices cut friction and make availability obvious across the team. Finish by locking down governance. Assign 1 or 2 calendar owners who can audit access and recover items. Use sharing expirations for temps. Next, integrate with Slack or automation tools for alerts and reporting so workflows stay in sync. Make sure team members know how to change their notification preferences and how to subscribe to calendars. If something goes wrong, like missing events, check calendar visibility and sharing permissions. Then force a sync or re-add the calendar. That usually resolves propagation issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.